Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to show how to close an Excel file when not responding. Thus, if you want to do so, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If too many apps are running in the system's background, it can't let you close an Excel file. Closing the unnecessary apps could work for you to tackle this situation. To do this, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter keys to open the Task Manager, or you can simply search it. Under Process tab, right-tap on the Useless Apps, choose End Task. Updating the Excel application to the latest version can help you to solve the problem. Open the Microsoft Excel application. Click the Account option. Click Update Options and click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app and update it to the latest version. If you lose work, Excel usually tries to recover your data. Reopen Excel. Look for the Document Recovery pane on the left side of the screen. Click on the available files to view and save your recovered work. A corrupted Microsoft Office can also lead to this problem. You can fix this by repairing the Microsoft Office files. For this, close all running MS Office programs. Then, open the Control panel. Click Programs, then Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office. Right-click it and click Change. Select between Quick Repair and Online Repair. Then, click Repair. This repair process may take some time. If you are looking for a way to fix Excel workbook corruption and recover all its data, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to close an Excel file when not responding. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.